The work done during the course must be presented on the internet. Why this? In the first place, in this way, the school curriculum is formed, say at no cost. But most importantly, we need to get used to working on the net. By now we have to convince ourselves that a professional studio cannot do everything by itself and must take advantage, by force majeure, of external services, which it will never be able to create internally. Take, for example, cartography. Until now everyone has obtained, thanks to photogrammetric surveys, the cartography of a certain area. Today, if you know a search engine, not only can you track the site of a certain location, but, using the map made available by Google for the entire Earth's surface, it can not only be viewed, the orthophoto, in this case of Serra Capriola, but it is possible to detect the geographical coordinates, and with a minimum of programming you can customize the page and, according to your needs, detect distances and measure areas. And it is clear that all this is possible if you are connected to the network. Otherwise, for each image we should worry about geo-referencing it. If then we move, for example, to the photogrammetric catalog, placed on the laboratory network, we find all the photogrammetric surveys carried out by the Bari Municipal Police in the areas affected by the 1980 earthquake, which can be consulted via the network. When I say consult, I mean that not only can they be observed with the stereoscope, but also it is possible to take measurements and, possibly, to carry out, with the reverse photogrammetry, some summary interventions. In case we want to return with stereometric modeling, we can download the images and treat them with a modeling program, such as Maya or others. I repeat, all this makes sense only if we then put everything back on the net, easily solving the problems of collaboration between professional firms located in different countries. And now, if we want to think about Europe, we must proceed in this way. Another fundamental point is that any work must be signed, and as far as the signature is concerned, it is no longer sufficient to simply put name and surname. You need to show your resume, answer the question, who are you? Even if we were to put a work by Leonardo da Vinci or any well-known personage online, we must think that somewhere in the world, those who visit the site may not know the person, so on the name Leonardo da Vinci, we must put a link to the site that allows you to get to know this character. And even more so, in the case of unknown characters, the signature must be linked to the professional curriculum. If we go to see, on the website of the laboratory, all the cards, then the curriculum of the students who have worked since 1996 to today, we probably find data that we are not interested in, but since this does not take up space, it does not matter. In any case, we must always think that the curriculum must be aimed at collaboration in professional work. We need to show how our basic training took place, because it is precisely the basic training that affects all our work. So it is not bad to show how your education took place starting from elementary school. to say that elementary school license, which says nothing because everyone owns it, as well as the middle school license, but it is necessary to show how you attended school and what you did. Clearly then we come to training in high school, university and professional activity. Adding and trying to show, from time to time, more than the work done. How we work, the method of work, how we think about work, in such a way as to provide a clear picture of who we are and, consequently, how we work, showing our reliability at work.